In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Google business profile. If you sell physical items or even services packaged like products, adding them to your profile helps customers discover what you offer directly on Google Search and Maps, which can boost clicks and conversions. Start by opening your browser and going to business.google.com. This takes you to the Google Business Profile dashboard. Sign in if prompted, and make sure you're managing the correct location if you have more than one. From the dashboard, look for the Products section or an option that says Edit Products. This is where you'll manage everything related to your product listings. If it's your first time, click Get Started to open the product editor. You'll see a form with fields to fill out. Begin by entering the product name. Keep it clear and specific so customers instantly know what it is. Think model, size, or key variant if that helps differentiate it. Next, select a category. Choose the category that best matches the product so Google can group it correctly. Consistent categories across your catalog make browsing easier for customers. Now enter the product price. If you have a fixed price, type it in. If your price varies by size or options, look for the price range option when available. Accurate pricing helps set expectations and reduces back and forth with customers. Type a concise product description that highlights the most important benefits. Focus on what the product does, who it's for, and what makes it valuable. Include details like materials, size, or standout features, and consider a short call to action, such as available for pickup or order online today. As long as it remains factual, you'll also see a field for a product landing page URL, which is optional. Add this if you want to send people to a specific product page on your website. Make sure the link works, matches the product, and uses a secure HTTPS address for a smoother customer experience. Upload a photo to showcase the item. Use a high-quality, well-lit image that clearly shows the product. A square or near-square image usually looks best in Google's layout. Avoid heavy text overlays and ensure the product is centered and in focus. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your product may take a few minutes to appear publicly. You can return to the products section anytime to edit details, update prices, swap images, or add more items. Keep your catalog current so customers always see accurate information.